नमस्कार, प्राइम टीवी में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपके साथ अनुष्का सिंह। हर बच्चे में कुछ ना कुछ अलग हटकर प्रतिभा होती है, जो किसी न किसी रूप में उभर कर लोगों के सामने आती है। इसके लिए समय समय पर अलग अलग संस्थानों की ओर से कार्यक्रम भी आयोजित किए जाते हैं, ताकि बच्चों की प्रतिभा को और ज्यादा निखारा जा सके। इसी कड़ी में राजधानी लखनऊ के सेंट फिडलिस कॉलेज की ओर से स्काईलाइन स्कूल कंपटीशन आयोजित किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम में राजधानी के कई प्रतिष्ठित स्कूलों ने हिस्सा लिया, जिसमें सिटी मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल, कामिल कॉलेज, माउंट फोर्ट कॉलेज और ग्रीनलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल जैसे 12 कॉलेज शामिल हुए। इस कार्यक्रम में गायन, डांस, राइटर्स सागा, मार्केटिंग मास्टर्स जैसे विभिन्न विषयों पर बच्चों की असाधारण प्रतिभा देखने के अवसर प्राप्त हुए। इस कार्यक्रम में कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल जोकिम इक्का और वाइस प्रिंसिपल जॉनसन इक्का की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण रही। हमारी टीम ने भी इस खास कार्यक्रम को कवर किया।
Hey friends, here we are at St. Fedler School, Lucknow, and with me we have Father Johnson. So, Father Johnson, what is the objective of this particular event?
The objective behind having this Skyline competition is to encourage students to build tech literary confidence among them, so that after passing out from the school, as they move forward in their life journey, they will have a clear idea and they may develop the literary tech in their life, so that later on they may have career in that.
Oh, definitely, I have seen the enthusiasm among the students, and I got to know that there are 15 such competitions which are taking place, and I think not 15, 12 competitions, and 15 students were there who were in charge of these programs. So why not going to the students and let's talk with them and let's have an idea.
In Lucknow, St. Fedler's College organized the inter-school competition on the technology. Now we are with Mr. Joachim, the father of the St. Fedler's College. We have the information regarding this competition.
St. Fidelis College is always striving hard and best possible effort to inculcate the value combining academic and non-academical activities to convert every human being, especially among the students, to self-reliant and to be an independent citizen of the India. And students are doing their level best regarding this. And they are organizing the Skyline based on tech and combining what you call our literary program. It is based on the studies. Thank you.
How many schools have been joined in this competition?
Almost 12 schools have come together and they are having the competitions.
In the future, how many competitions will be organized by the St. Fedler's College regarding technology?
Almost this year, this is the second one. Last year also, being what you call COVID-19, last year also we had what you call organized, and this is completely organized by the students. Here we teachers nor myself or vice principal, we don't interfere them.
And a simple message from the St. Fedler's College regarding the students.
Message is that our students are well versed in themselves. They can stand by themselves wherever they go in the world or our country at large.
On the behalf of competition, I am with Mr. Johnson Ekka. Now we'll going about the competition will be happened in this year.
Yeah, surely this year we are having this Skyline competitions, especially just to build tech brain in the child, so that they can later on they will develop that technology as they move forward in their life.
So here we are at Skyline 2021 at St. Fidelis College. And let me tell you who says that boys can't have fun online. You can see at the back, they are dancing, shouting, making merry, and it is all about event that is created by the student for the student, right? And so we have over here, and the interesting part is that the principal, the vice principal, the teachers, the students, they've all come across together to celebrate Skyline 2021. And what it is all about? It is about celebrating intellectualism online and, with all creativity they have. So let me talk to a few of them. Few of the students are over here, very cheerful little faces. Can I have your name, please?
Tanya Dyson.
Tanya, what is the Skyline all about?
The Skyline is a tech and literary fiesta that helps the young minds to show their innovation in the fields of various tech and literary events, including logical reasoning, quizzes, and etc.
Oh, I heard a lot of, in fact, astonishing names. There was, I think, Marketing Mastery, Writer's Saga, and whatnot. I'm just, picking a few of them. I don't remember all that. And there was one Rebuke Rebuttals, right? So what it is all about?
Rebuke Rebuttal is basically a debating event, and Marketing Mastery is an advertisement event in which the children have to present their presentation and also act as per the advertisement with the jingles and everything.
Oh, wow. So who actually created it? Where exactly the entire idea came from? Anybody else?
Yeah, the entire idea came from like the students across, they were basically to build enthusiasm in the students to develop tech and literary enthusiasm. So basically we also are having tech events, like we were having logo designing event, graphic tech. We in the modern arena, everything is all about presentation. So we decided to make students knowledgeable about graphic designing and like programming and things. So we organized some tech events like graphic tech and logogram and programming. So you may see right now there is an event alpha going on. Like this is an all-rounded event in which we are giving on-the-spot tasks, like we are giving them on-the-spot tasks like dancing, singing. They are being given on the spot and they have to perform the spot. So these things are building enthusiasm in the students. Like they are building multiple talent. They will get multiple talent. Like will be prepared in the fields of tech and fields of literary.
True, I heard that there is one point called Level Up, and that covers the gaming section. That was very interesting.
It was a very gaming. The event conducted in 2 rounds. Basically, in the first round, there was a game Valorant in which multiple schools participated, and there was a death match between them. All the students participated and they competed a death match, and the 4 finalists qualified for the second round, in which we played a game Rocket, and it was so amazing. What can I say? Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it? See, you can see the excitement on the faces of the students over here. But not only the students, we also have the teachers over here. Let us have some feedback from them as well. Very welcome, sir, on Prime TV. So what exactly this event, according to you, is about?
See, education is not only book learning. It's actually preparing the students, their personality, and their outlook to face the real challenges in life. And this is actually the on-ground demonstration of the enthusiasm and the skills which the students have. And we are very sure that in future they will be able to command the real world, because they've got this planning, everything, execution, everything is of the students. The teachers have been there, the principal has been there to provide the forum and the whatever aid assistance was required and the guidance. But actual work, the concept, everything is done by the students.
Wow, great initiative and a great idea. Now let us talk to the principal once again. Sir, amazing event out there. And I would really like to congratulate, because this is the very first time that I'm actually excited to see some online event being actually enjoyed so much. And there is so much of vibration, the positive vibes coming from there. So how excited are you?
I am overexcited. What I have to say, seeing the students and also some of the staff members, those are helping them to just go forward. I'm overexcited.
See, you can see the excitement on the principal's face as well. Generally, they say when the students enjoy, the principals don't. But here, the story is totally different. Let me have some more idea from the children over here. Yes, can I have your name, please?
My name is Anshika Singh.
And what were you doing in this event?
Well, I was the event organizer. I'm a part of the organizing committee of Skyline, and I've been responsible for 3 events. Marketing Mastery, which is an advertisement event, and it was a very fun event. It took place yesterday. And Plot Twisters, which is a script writing event. It was indeed an incredible event. We all enjoyed it a lot. Also, there was the event Craftastic, which is for all the crafty and artistic students out there. So it was very fun. You all did a lot of hard work.
Great. See, this is all about, a girl so small over here, and she says that she is the member of the organizing committee. So exciting, isn't it? And yes, your name, please?
My name is Utkarsh.
And how are you involved with this event?
I've been a part of this events organizing committee, and I've looked after all the sponsors and the overall management of the event. And I've been the event in charge of events like Rebuke Rebuttal, the debating event, Writers Saga, the literary fest. This event is all about a student, a overall all-rounder who can even play a game and who can even do a debate on topics like communism.
And who are the judges basically over here?
Here we have judges from outside, like we have Sabiha ma'am and Garama ma'am, who are already, who have been guiding the students in the literary fest from years and are still doing the same. So we have got a good panel of expertise judges, and they are managing the things. And also
Great.
we have our teachers who are assisting us in the same.
So let us talk to the teachers as well. Ma'am, very exciting. It seems that, you have been, judging across. So collaborating with the students, how it has been like?
It's really wonderful too, because everything they have arranged, and we are just looking after that. And when we see these people doing wonderful job, we feel so proud of them.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. And once again, we go back to the Vice Principal as well. So Vice Principal, sir, is over here. Sir, the youth celebrating technology, the youth celebrating the Writers Saga, the youth celebrating something upcoming. It's totally, I think the entire global technologies come down over here. How do you see it?
It is a new age, and our students, they must utilize by seeing the situations as the world is advancing, and why not our students should advance in the new technology. It is an opportunity to develop their brain, and as they go ahead in their life, they must build their career in that field. That is the aim of having this event.
I should congratulate you. The excitement shines on your face as well. So here we are at Skyline 2021 at St. Fidlis. A good picture needs a good photographer, a good painting needs a good artist, and a good brain needs a better planning. So the good brain, the best brain behind the entire event of Skyline is over here. It's called Mr. DN sir, commonly over here. He has been the main overall, I think, the head of the entire event, right?
This was initial and offline program we started way back in 2009 with a group of students coming with the idea of organizing a computer event. But with the passage of time, some literary events and some gaming events and other things have been added. So now, in fact, we are having this program after a gap of 3 years, and the students came up with the idea of online events, so I gave them a permission. It was totally their effort, with teachers only supporting them morally and physically being present at the various events when the program was taking place.
Congratulations, you did a very good job, sir, and I hope we are going to see a lot more events like this once again.
और इसी के साथ हमारे इस खास कार्यक्रम में फिलहाल इतना ही। देश दुनिया की बाकी की तमाम